from 30 to 40, tas boom, loaded.
Yo, we're in the car. Let's go. Wait. I gotta see this. Who's driving? Who's driving?
Why, ay si Josh, ba't kalbo si
Why are you
Josh?
bald?
Grabe, they scream at Josh, grabe.
Naging tatay si Josh.
And he was scared because we're already close to the pizzeria.
Where's Raya? Where's Raya?
Naging tatay si Josh kasi siya yung nagdadrive ang boat.
We're in a lot of stories. Yeah, narrate this.
They only
Tama ka, Adrian, tama ka, Adrian.
We're just going to take a look, see how things are, just for the thrill. You know.
I just know
Wait,
this
don't
isn't
skip,
going
don't
to end
skip.
well. I'm sure of it. Why so much fear,
Why so much fear, guys?
Wait, hindi mo yan like.
After that, we can leave and grab us lang.
I'm in for that idea. Of course I am.
Alright, whatever. I'm just scared of those animatronics. They really creep me out, but whatever. I'm in for the
Kanina,
snack
pre,
because
mga
I'm
wimps pala
starving.
tayo, Kairos. All this for the snacks.
This why we're in the back seat.
All crap that happened there. You guys gotta
Kaya marera ng slicked eh.
This why we're in the back
Mind
seat,
your
bro.
own business, Mishka.
Alright, that's enough. We're almost at the pizzeria. Let's check things out.
Oh, tara pre, let's check things out.
Kaya pala sa backseat, wala yung nagdadrive. Wala yung ball! Nasaan yung oh, wala yung oh.
Why are you bald?
They updated it.
Gago.
Okay,
take
this is
care of
game.
it.
Puta.
Oh!
Adrian, we're going to pick some fuse bombs. Oh my goodness, bro.
Did it?
Ano? Shit, bro,
How do I use my flashlight?
Dali. Putahin niyo, ewan ko ba?
Oh
Pre,
shit!
wait lang.
Josh, Kairos, remember yung sa sister location parang dinadrag
Oh!
yung cover mo?
Uy!
Oh.
May ganun ng mechanic. Come here.
What? Sa the sister location thing?
It's so dark. I can't see.
No.
Wait lang,
Press
pre, I'm fixing it na.
Oh, the thing where you hold the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
I found it.
Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, I'm at the goddamn table, shit.
You started it.
Oh my god,
Oh,
Adrian, tangina mo
I thought the
talaga.
worst
Dapat
place
talaga hinantay mo
possible.
kami, gago. Shit. I don't wanna be outside, guys.
Walang power, Adrian.
Oh shit,
Ito,
seryoso.
fuses, papitas
Papitas
ng
ng
power,
power.
gago.
Oh, seryoso.
Kairos,
Basta,
Adrian, kailangan puntahan yung puppet, pre.
let's go to the fuse.
Kairos,
Let's go to the
stop
fuse.
tayo.
Walang puppet.
Oh my god, he's near me.
Someone has to change puppet
Hinahabol ka,
hat
gago.
power. Okay.
Bro, where am I going?
Fuck was that? I heard footsteps.
I'll just go inside the door.
Putang ina, please.
Adrian, pumasok ka na lang.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Oh my goodness, Kairos, good job ako. Adrian, kailangan mo i-fix yung fuse. Wait lang. Gago.
Okay, Josh, follow me. Okay, kakalabas ko lang. Okay, thank you.
Ang lakas.
Patay si Adrian.
Yeah.
All of us are dead.
Putang ina niyo talaga, guys.
Oh, wait, I can revive
All the
once.
fuck did you guys
No,
die?
wag.
I did.
Oh, you just wasted your life.
There you go.
It's very confused.
Electrocuted.
You died?
No.
No.
Nakikita ko na lang si Wait ka nag-hold ng battery, pick up siya.
You
Baka
didn't fix it yet.
mag-electrician mo.
Ayun na. Here we go again.
Putang ina naman.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix it.
I'm trying. Can you not see the red fucking outline with Chica in my ass?
Si ano yan? Si Bonnie yan?
May Chica din.
You made noise.
May Chica din.
You made noise.
Okay, it's fixed now.
Na-electrocute ako habang kayo minol.
Never mind.
Patay si Wishgo.
Pre,
Wait,
you cannot trust me at the fuse box, gag.
it's fixed now.
Adrian, baka tumapak ka ng glass, ha? Also, Foxy's behind you.
What?
Ayun, no, yung stage ko.
Pinatay ko na
Marionette.
yung...
Play again.
Okay, yep.
Puppet.
Do it. Oh
Puppet.
my goodness, bro. Play again, play again.
Power, tapos na electrocute siya.
Eh, na-electrocute ako. Grabe, we cannot step on glass. May glass kasi.
Why? Who started the round? Who started the... I don't know where I am.
Pumasok si Kairos sa security room. Kairos, why the fuck did you go in here? Kagad.
I was gonna get the
Gago.
screwdriver.
We should have explored.
Aray!
Kairos, tara, vents.
Where is the chica?
Corridor. Cam 6. Backrooms.
Kairos, Josh, wala ako dyan, ah.
I need pliers.
Ako lang mag-isa dito.
Basta nandito ako sa...
Bathrooms ako.
Basta nandito na ako sa fuse box.
Pumunta ba sa akin, Will C na lang, saan ba siya?
Kay Kairos.
Kayo.
Sa Cam 3 na siya.
No, I'm venting, bro. I'm venting.
Let's go to the bathroom.
Fuck.
Bro, nasa na ba kasi yung screwdriver?
I'm stuck in the
We need it
vents.
so badly.
Guys, I'm stuck in the vents.
Why are you venting?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
Wishka, there's only... Wait, let me close the door.
Pre, why did you close the door?
Oh!
Bakit pumunta siya sa vent?
Okay.
No, listen. There's only one entrance. Either he's gonna open the door or he's gonna come out of the vent.
O sige, pre, we have to make some noise muna. Ayun. Puta, ba't si Freddy nandito? Gago, malapit ako kay Freddy. Shit.
Okay, Chica is here also.
Oh, Kairos, we're so fucked.
Why am I taking damage?
Sa fuse yan. Bukas kasi yung fuse box.
No, I'm not in the fucking fuse.
I don't know, man.
Bro,
I
it's
don't
so
know. Kairos, puntahan mo yung puppet, gago. Pupuntahan ko yung
I don't have a fuse.
fuses.
What's this? Oh, I found the screwdriver.
Kairos. Kairos, puntahan mo yung puntahan mo yung puppet.
I'm at the
Gagi.
puppet.
They puntahin mo yung fuse and then put the fucking...
I don't have a
Ayan,
fuse.
pinut ko na. I put it na. Yung fuse sa puppet, nilagay ko na.
Hindi na kailangan galawin yun. Legit kailangan lang ng power nun.
Okay, wait, I'm
Kailangan
winding
ng power dyan.
it up. I'm winding it up.
Pre. Oh my goodness, ayoko pre habol.
Nasakit si Bonnie.
Bro, sino na sa akin?
Ay,
Kay Dre, ang putang ina po, boo!
Oh.
Bro! Gago!
This is taking a while to wind up.
Oy, gago, Adrian.
ay.
Where's the fuse box? Show me.
Toxic.
Okay, the puppet's fully wind up.
Takbo!
Chica, naka-use ka.
Takbo, bro!
Si Wishko. Hinakapan si Wishko.
Pre, munti pa ako mamatay doon. Takbo. Adrian, get in.
Okay, nasa ka. Close the left door.
There's a Bonnie there, so... That's...
Dinaanan ako ni Chica, pre. Dinaanan ako ni Chica.
Just crouch kasi, for fuck's sake.
Josh! Hi, Josh.
That's what I did.
Oh.
Pre, kung lumingon lang siya sa likod niya, if he went to the opposite side, wala patay mo ako. Pre,
It can open doors? Bonnie can open doors. Okay, note to self.
No, I mean like the security door.
no,
Wait,
we
what?
can.
I...
Oh my god.
Oh, we won.
Oh, we won? Yeah,
Wait,
we won, guys. We won, guys.
Oh, bro, I was
Hindi mo
getting...
kailangan natin.
I was getting chased by something.
We definitely won.
Oh, there's a cutscene.
Bye, Freddy.
Freddy Fazbear.
Chito, Freddy,
Then.
Fazbear. Hi. Oh my god, he's TP. Oh my god, he's TPing.
Oh no. I think
naman,
we have to stay for 5 more nights.
Open chest. Grabe, isa pa lang.
We're
I
like-
opened
Next time,
one
press again, next time. Next time.
for past
Oh,
out.
why is Adrian passed out, bro? We're passed out in the parts and service.
Katabi ko si Kairos ah.
Ay,
Baho.
Wow, hell no!
Oh
Why?
no.
Oh my god, yung nightmare version.
Oh no. Are you sure this is
Sino
night 2?
mag-check ng ano, labas ng kwarto?
This is not night 2, bro.
This is FNAF 4. The fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is FNAF 4.
May it's just a cutscene.
Where were...
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, what the hell?
Ah.
Hmm.
Wow.
What happened?
The yellow
That
bear.
yellow
showed
bear,
me
she
in
showed
my dream as a
Plus,
nightmare.
Golden Freddy. Having the same dream too.
I was like in a house, but it wasn't mine. It looked really old. He ended up appearing behind me and scaring me.
Am I canonically dead?
Yeah, we really shouldn't have gone into that pizzeria.
We wanted you to, didn't we? But it's no use, guys. We wanted to act all out.
yeah.
What can we do, right? Anyway, I don't feel well. Let's just find a way to get out of here.
Okay, let's try to find a way out of here. Since we already know the way in doesn't work.
Ano ba yan? Kairos, maghanap ka muna pre ng ano,
Flashlight!
flyers pre.
Flashlight! Flashlight! Flashlight!
Wait.
I found fries.
Flyers!
Oh, flashlight.
Flashlight to.
Flashlight.
Kairos, flashlight.
Where?
That's exotic butters, bro.
It's fine. Better than nothing.
Nakanino flyers?
Exotic guanas.
Huh?
They're moving!
Sino?
You don't need to-
Bunny. He can crawl! I'm stunned. I'm dead. I'm not. I live.
Nasa akin si Foxy! Nakatake niya yun!
Okay, what? Kairos, maglakad ka na dun sa puppet.
Okay. Oh, Bonnie's right behind us. I can't turn back. Adrian, Bonnie is behind us.
Pre, si Foxy. Putang ina talaga si Foxy, bro.
Bro,
I should have shown my flashlight. Hindi ko alam. Pre, kailangan nyo i-shine yung flashlight ni Foxy.
Oh, oops, I forgot.
Backrooms na nga lang.
Bonnie's at Cam 6. Papunta siya Cam 7. Adrian papunta sa'yo.
Kairos, where the fuck are they? Oh my goodness, Kairos.
They're across the hallway. They are across the hallway.
We have to go.
They are across the hallway. That's where they are. Why are you going this way? This is where they are.
Pre, iikutan natin. They saw us across that hallway. Baka naman. Expect yan eh.
How do you wind the thing sa camera?
Takbo. Never mind. They expected.
I
Kairos,
told you, bro.
they
I told you.
expect-
You didn't listen. You didn't listen, bro.
I think gumalaw ng Foxy. Fox, jump scare.
Oh. Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Adrian. Just go to the security room. Pawala na power dito. Guys.
Papunta sa'yo, Josh!
Oh, wala lang si
Ah, siya yung- Oh,
Stop camping this shit.
oh shit. Oh shit.
Why are you going here?
Sa akin. Nasa security room si Bon. Wala nang power sa security room. Guys, please.
Please, leave me alone, Chica. I don't want you, Chica.
Chica, please. Ayoko.
It's a bad,
You're not
bro.
the version I want. Ganun dapat
Chica,
tayo.
no, Chica, no.
You're not the version I want. Di ba,
Guys,
AJ?
pag dalaw na si Foxy.
Chica,
Guys,
no.
parang dalaw na si Foxy. You need to treat uses ASAP.
Bro, wala nga ako mahanap. Wait lang. Pre, may nahanap ba kayo? Bro, are you sure? Tayo doon?
Yeah.
Oh, sige.
I found a
Kanina ko
fuse.
pa naman chat hindi pa, ano si Freddy.
Bonnie's with me.
Hi,
I'm gonna stay here sa puppet. Ikakrank ko
hi,
kagad yung
hi,
puppet.
hi, Foxy.
Bonnie's
I'm
near the
gonna
fuse
crank
room.
the puppet. Puntahan mo na
I'm
yung
dead.
fuse gold. Namatay si Josh?
Kanino, Bonnie?
I'm
I can
dead.
get your bed.
Foxy.
Sila Foxy nga kasi nasa back room. Oh my god, si Bonnie nasa party room na. Kairos, go. Please, go. Go.
I died at the vent pa naman.
Dog!
I died there.
Kairos, you have to go. You have to. You have
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
to sprint if you have to. Just go.
Oy! Where's it?
Dito. And
Okay, how the fuck do I use this thing?
G, just give it. Ako na.
How do I drop?
You can't drop it.
G.
Brutally, and
You
you
can drop it. You can
You
drop
can
Oh,
it. You can
left,
drop it.
left.
Yes.
Turn on power to the pocket room.
I already did.
Oh my god.
Reload the puppet.
Cranking
Okay,
it.
so
I'm
one
cranking it.
finish lang.
I'm cranking it. Wait lang.
Crunk it, Soja Boy.
Virus, may dalawang fuse ako.
We won.
Nice.
Oh, we won.
Only
Yeah, I
one
only have to
casualty.
sacrifice myself.
Only one death.
Only one
death.
casualty.
Skip. Just unnecessary jump scare.
Hindi, walang jump scare. Just audio. Just ano.
Yung sa dulo.
Yeah, wala.
There's probably a reason.
Bro, meron yung ano.
Talk to
yung-
him or something.
Ay, wala nga, ano.
This is a different one.
Maybe it's a good way
Ano,
to
light,
get
no?
40 months.
3. We're at night 3, bro.
Freddy will be alive now. This place is about to collapse and we're stuck in here.
Let's try to stay calm. We wait for that yellow bird to show up and we try to kill him.
There is no talking.
Alright, let's do this.
Nag-switch tayo ng rules ah.
Where's the flashlight? I want that flashlight, bro.
I'm gonna look for a fuse.
Go ahead, Josh.
Promise. So spawn ni Bonnie pa talaga tayo.
Bro, may
Oh my
fuse,
god, ba't si
may fuse
Bonnie
na dito.
Keep it. We need more.
No, I mean like nasa power na.
That's gonna break.
Oh, hi guys.
It's going towards me.
Okay, no! Get!
Bakit?
What?
Andyan yung Bonnie! For fuck's sake.
Sabihin mo kasi.
If I
Hindi-
panic, meaning nun, may...
Pre.
Gumagalaw na si Chika.
Tagulo ko dyan.
Chika, sweet.
Move the fuck. Adrian, aalis na ako dyan. Ba? My goodness. si
Gara.
Bonnie.
Guys, pabantay sa akin.
I'm stuck.
Oh my god.
Please don't check. Please don't check.
Wala.
Please
Yes. I escaped.
Hi.
Chica's there.
Bro, nakatakas bro. Si Adrian, good luck. Why is Freddy not
Wait, I'll check.
still?
He tried
Wala na si Freddy, wala na si Foxy. Wala na si Freddy, wala na
Gumagalaw
si
na si Freddy.
Foxy.
Gumagalaw na si Freddy.
Magalaw na si
Chica,
Foxy.
why? Not again. We've been on this since last night.
You had the screwdriver, bro.
I
Nakanino.
have. Where, ano ba? Saan ka ba?
Shit. Oh my goodness, yung cupcake. Please. Huwag mo akong kakagatin muna.
Chica, we've been on this since last night. Stop
Party
trapping
room
me
ako,
in
Fred.
the
Nasa party
bathroom.
room ako, puta, yung cupcake nandito. Pati si Freddy, malapit na.
Say, cup.
Guys, nasa akin yung isang fuse. But I'm stuck. Dito si Foxy.
Bro. This is
Foxy.
not good. Ano to? Yes, it's a fuse. Okay.
Hinabol ako ni Foxy. Hinabol ako ni Bonnie pala. Hinabol ako ni Bonnie.
They made foxes on me. You fucking.
Hinabol ako ni Bonnie. Bonnie.
Back
Turn
to
up muna, just turn up muna. Nandito na ako.
The very
nandito na
left. The very left for Marionette. Okay, it was literally half.
Freddy's out. Freddy's out.
ako. No.
Oh. How do I get rid of the cupcake?
You can, it's automatically goes off.
Okay,
Freddy's out.
That's very
Kaya nga,
annoying.
kanina pa-
The cupcake is at the marionette.
Nakakatakot. Putang na! Kinagat ako.
I got it. I removed it for you.
Bro. Shit.
I can actually remove it from you. Yung the cupcake.
Si Foxy. Ingat. He just passed by. Just hide.
Oh my god, si Freddy yan.
Freddy's at the left door.
Do you?
Wala ko.
Meron nga. He's going back.
Bahala ka. We're shutting it down. We're shutting
He crawled.
Okay, pwede na surely.
Si Foxy. Si Foxy papunta sa gilid. Both doors, pre. Both doors.
Bro.
Si Foxy yan, Kai.
I'll just close it.
Kai, ba't mo kinose ka?
Si Foxy yan, pre.
He's fast.
Okay, he went out. Si ano din. Si Freddy rin.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, we won.
No one died. No casualties.
Easy
Basta namatay
dubs.
si Adrian.
Easy dubs.
No one duty. Kailangan ako yung tigal ng close calls.
Professional security guy ako.
Kairos, just to let you know, alam mo yung sa sister location shit?
Oh,
Ginawa sa akin yun.
Next time.
Ginawa sa akin yun. I was panicking.
He was pulling the table.
Thinking shit. Wait, flyers.
Flyers agad.
Wait.
Flashlight.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to my security job. There we go.
Okay, backrooms is clear of shit. Walang...
Okay, Bonnie's moving. He's running.
It's
Okay, I
okay.
heard that.
Kairos, I almost died to Bunny. Nalang masasabi ko.
Someone's moving as well.
Deliver sa
I guess si Carlos yun.
Hide!
Bahala na. I don't give a shit. Hindi pa naman buhay si Pac. Hindi pa naman siya buhay.
Gumalak na si Chica. Yeah.
You don't give a shit.
Oh no! Josh!
Oh my god.
Ano gusto mong gawin ko? Ano gusto mong gawin ko?
Namatay ka?
Anong gagawin mo? Yung door, pre. Buti kinlose ko. Oh my goodness. Chika kimbay. Chika pakikimbay.
Foxy's moving.
Oh. Bro,
That's plenty
bro.
of ways.
Guys, it's over for me. It's just over. I'm surrounded by animatronics and the cupcake is outside of my locker. I'm dead.
Namatay na. What the fuck?
Foxy's with
Ano
me.
ka?
Foxy's with me.
Wait, does the locker
Bonnie shot come to me.
on the locker thing, are you supposed to spam spacebar or you're gonna time it?
You're supposed to space.
Alam mo pre, kung si Toy Chika yung makahabol sa akin, sige, payag ako. Fuck that shit, paki ko. That's the version
May dalawang animatronics sa akin. Oh shit, wala nang power dito.
Di ba,
May
kayo?
tatlong animatronics sa akin. Yun, okay.
Foxy's near the party room.
Bro, may dalawang animatronics sa akin. Nakikita mo to, Kai?
Yeah.
Bro, please do not get
Okay, they
inside
left.
the back. I'm stuck here. Wait.
I'm dead.
Just spam spacebar.
Hindi mo nakikita si Freddy.
Okay, power's out.
No!
He was
Walang
fighting.
bro si Freddy!
He was fighting for his life in the locker.
Danny!
Walang bro si Freddy.
Bro, si Bonnie na sa akin. Yung cupcake na sa akin, bro. Adrian.
Oh,
What do you want me to do?
Walang bro si Freddy!
Those were the two that killed me.
Fox is near,
I saw
fuse
you.
box. Fox is near fuse. Fox is near fuse.
Pero si Bonnie.
Ay, meron ba sa akin?
Spectating wish ko.
Okay, meron na.
Si Bonnie. Si
Meron na.
Bonnie.
Bro, I can't escape!
Chica.
Nasa akin yung
Adrian, you're the
Just
only
need
one.
to entry.
Pre, yung fuse. Adrian, ikaw lang Adrian, ikaw lang ang nakakagalaw at hinahabol na ako. Hinahabol na ako!
Wait lang, may animatronic.
Locker. Why did you leave?
Bro, I can't leave. I was
No, wish ko.
Nag-double back si Bonnie. Nag-double back siya. Putang ina. Nag-double back.
Bro, Bonnie has a kill count of 2
Give
now.
me the fuse. Give me the fuse. Give me the. Come here. I'll secure you. Come on.
Escort mission.
Ha! Get out.
Pre, si Bonnie kasi. Ba't siya nag-double back? Putang ina talaga yun.
Nasarapan ko siya!
Go to the main dining area. Oh, run! Okay, he lost you.
Sa akin, ako na. Uy, muntikan na tayo mamatay. Muntikan na tayo mamatay.
Just keep cranking.
Meron ba sa akin?
Crank it, soldier.
I don't know if there's anything.
There's none.
Just lumabas ka na lang pag wala kang naririnig.
Okay,
Baka may ass, bro.
well, he turned the corner.
He turned the corner, bro. I could not see that, man.
I have to leave.
Pre-takbo. Just crouch. Move out.
Safe ba dito? No.
Ay, napakasapakan si Adrian.
Josh, just survive. At this point, just survive.
Lapit ba mag-night?
It's good. Boy! Wala nga talagang ilaw. Wala kang ilaw.
Oh.
Wala kang
Oo,
ilaw.
bakit ba ako?
All 3 people died.
Grabe, last man standing.
Josh, alam mo nangyari? Like, I was thinking of, wala nga ang ilaw si Freddy. Nasaan na kaya si Freddy? Nasa harapan ko na. Tinamulok.
Yan yung ko. Pero wala akong nakita sino sa background. Kung nakita ko si Eddie, ay, oh shit, si Eddie yun. Tumakbo na lang.
Yun nga, tumakbo na lang biglaan. Ako, alam mo yung meme na yun? Yung parang yung...
He was just staring at you, tapos biglang tatakbo sa iyo.
Wala sa akin, biglaan lang tumakbo. I was panicking, andun pa nga si Chica.
He actually got sandwiched there.
Tignan nga natin ang ginagawa ng super flashlight. Yan na.
Oh,
Ay, sakto ako ngayon security kayo.
Uy, yun lang? Grabe yung bilis ah.
Ayos.
Pre-flyers, akin na.
is there the
Where's the-
flashlight? Yeah, I should have bought a flashlight.
Ay, meron.
Oh! Tignan yung flashlight ko!
Nice.
We have to go to Freddy.
Okay, that's why walang power.
Oh my goodness! Nakita mo yun!
I did not see.
What was that? Bro, this body.
I was standing behind you.
I did. The cupcake is here.
Don't know where he is. He's gone from the power room. Okay, nandito si Freddy sa backstage.
What's this? Mishka, where were you?
I'm with Mishka.
Kasama ko si
Saan ako?
Adrian, where the fuck are we going? Oh my god,
Go there. May batteries dito.
this is so scary.
Si Bonnie di pa gumagalaw. Nasaan kayo?
Nasa...
Shit.
Bakit?
Pero hindi dyan.
Okay. Okay.
Don't notice me, please.
Hide.
Oh. Oh. Oh,
Ano?
God.
Si Golden Freddy ba yan?
Is it?
Hindi ko alam eh. Si Freddy nakita mo naman dun, di ba? Oh my
Hindi ko
God.
makita kasi nakaharang ka.
I
Did this
died.
just snap?
I died.
Freddy.
I died to
Okay.
Golden Freddy. I died to
Okay.
Golden Freddy.
Ah, so Golden
This
Freddy
snap.
nga. Okay.
Okay, any Thanos snap. Thanos snap is active. Thanos snap is active. No, Kairos,
What
ano?
Thanos
Hindi
snap?
ka.
Guys, I died in parts and service. I had a fuse there.
Nagka kami.
You're joking, you're
Ah.
joking. Puta man si Freddy. Nakita mo yun?
Inside.
Golden
Wala na,
Freddy.
pre. Wala na, pre. Pinatay lang ako. Pre, but... Ah, we need to... Pre, look at Golden Freddy. Just look at him. Wala, patay siya. Josh, you're dead.
I died.
Josh, you are so dead. Pag hindi ka gagalaw dyan.
I was almost at the fuse box. It's coming to Josh.
Nagtataka ako eh. Nagtataka talaga ako. Ah, patay si Josh.
Pino?
Ronnie, go
Let's
start.
go, ah.
Speedrun.
Pa talaga yun, pre. Nagulat ako pagkapasok namin doon nila Adrian. Si Golden Freddy nandun.
Wait, sama ako sa inyo.
Pag hindi mo siya tinitignan.
What's that noise?
Okay.
Oh shit! Putang ina.
Yun yung reaction ko eh.
Oh, shit.
Ayun, yun kayo.
Go to puppet, go to puppet, go to puppet.
Okay.
Ay, puta.
Close it.
Bro, i-close nyo!
I-close! Ikaw lang yung nandyan. Papunta kami ng puppet.
Wow. Oh,
Well,
sige.
sinamahan ko na yung tatlo. Ay, Aiden.
Grabe.
Nandyan si... Why is it
Stop going to
red? Why is it so red?
Bon is probably there.
Died.
No, I didn't. I live. I got a locker.
Did you just take a picture of me?
Oh, wait. Bro, I'm blind. I have no power.
Golden Freddy ba? Oh, wag naman ako, visit. Ba't na nagkaka-operation dito, visit naman?
Kung may nakikita kayong paparazzi, ako yun.
Am I bleeding to death?
Pre, lahat sila active halos. There's no fucking denying this.
I'm bleeding for fuck's sake.
Spin it. Adrian.
Okay, guys, there's two people. Foxy and Chica are at the party hall.
No shit.
Bro, I don't know where I'm going dahil wala akong flashlight.
Fully charged na yung puppet. Fully charged na yung puppet.
Do not go here.
Foxy's in party room.
Guys, I'm dead.
Kairos, you are so ka. Cornered ka.
There's two of them.
Bumili pala ako, what?
Patay si Kai. Kai, did you die?
Not yet.
Okay. Talaga.
Golden Freddy's out.
Yeah, he's low. He's low when he's not hunting you.
Can you stop?
Si Adrian. Kairos, get the fuse.
Oh my god! Sino to? Please don't crawl if you could. Okay. Bonnie, papunta mo. Parts and services pala.
Didn't si Foxy.
Oh!
Patay si Adrian. Patay ka, Adrian.
Kita pala ako ni Foxy. Kita pala ako ni
Si Foxy, si Foxy bigla lumabas. Si Josh
Baka
nagtatagulan
try to
sa trash can, hayo.
I'm trying to eat eh.
Habang kami, tatlo, nag-ano niyan.
Uy, it's time for you guys to do me a favor kasi ginawa ko kayo last night.
Wala, parang yung second night nung matay ka.
Oo.
Wala.
Eh na, you're gonna fight for your life. Okay,
God damn it.
he lost. He lost.
God damn it.
He lost.
Hindi mo pre-flashlight. Ay, inano, kinamera.
I just saw the thing slowly opening.
He's slowly moving towards you na. He's slowly moving towards you na. He's slowly moving towards you na.
He's going to you, fine.
Virus, tinitignan yung locker mo kayo.
No.
Virus, tinitignan locker mo.
Nice.
May isa pang mana. Stay there.
Just stay, bro. Just stay. Huwag ka
Si Foxy
magpapakita.
gago.
Si Foxy pa yan, wala na. Kairos. Hindi si Foxy pa yan.
Go
Okay, go on. Just crouch.
Someone's
Wait lang,
talking
wait
to
lang.
me.
Legit, okay lang.
Go na.
Crouch. Nice, di ba?
Oh,
Nice one.
The end.
The end?
Yun, oh my God, yes.
this
We
process-
Also, a jump scare, no? There's definitely a jump scare I thought soon.
oh, no.
Amazing. Jump scare.
You could literally jump over that. Such a pussy of an MC.
Whoa, Golden Freddy.
Golden Freddy pa.
Guys, where did you go? Help me.
We got choked to death, friend.
Oh, hey, what the
We're
hell?
in the
What the
chair.
I-spin
do
na
not-
pa tayo.
what the hell?
What the heck? The FNAF 1 frontline, what the fuck?
This wasn't in FNAF 1.
Ano nalagay?
No, FNAF 1 movie.
Oh. Kairos, nasan kayo, Kairos?
I swear, if it says spam spacebar or something. Oh,
Wala.
Pero we died. Yun yung ending natin. Ipakita.
Ano ba man yan? Di tayo nakapag-pizza?
I had no
Ay, nako.
paycheck.
Where's my pizza?
Di ba sabi na habang nagdadrive yung character ko, let's just go get pizza after this.
Oo, pre. Oh my Josh. Oh, tama nga kami ni Kairos. Tama kami ni Kairos. We should have not stayed there. Namatay tayo. Pre. Close it. Sige, close it.
Oh,
Kill! Kill!
Chill out.
Goodness, yung gagawin ko.
Grabe. If I did not close this door, patay na tayo.
What if I press E? This button seems really nice.
Sige nga, no shit, no balls mo, pindutin mo.
Pinitin mo
Gusto ko
pa.
triple pindot. Text Adrian. Panorin mo.
Left natin.
Ay, wala pa tayo.
Alam mo
Bro,
na sarap.
open the door, Kairos. Open the door.
He opened the door.
Patay ako. Foxy to!
Binubuksan yung pinto.
Binuksan yung pinto. Nakita ko na, Kairos, buksan mo.
Oh!
Grabe. Adrian, maganda ka nila yung maganda.
Magbubuksan, please. Si Kairos na to.
Close the door.
Wala. Nandun si Freddy. Ang bilis.
Kairos, labas.
Yan yung more accurate Foxy, gago.
Ang bilis.
Ano nangyari kala? Oh, you pussies.